See, never before have I sat and told my full story, cause I don't think these years of ignorance deserve glory. But now I feel myself getting closer to death. I'ma write this book and do these talks so there no talks left. And I love my brothers that was there from early, yeah. Mustafa Abu Ali, Ibn Salim, Muhammad Ismail, Dawood, Muslim, Belal, Chin, Israfil, Ismail, Abdulaziz, Umar, Ali, Abdullah, Isa, Majai, Shaeed, Jamal ad-Din, Shamsuddin, Ice Deep, Talib, Hamza, the love so real I can't even speak. Stretton Mus was crazy, Juma week after week. From 02 to 05 got the strongest team. We're united on this real life, no more dreams. And I can't forget my real brother Abdul Haq. Look how our lives turn around at can we found this Haq. Yeah, we was in the evening standard posted up. What they said, them Muslim boys have gone crazy, the streets gone nuts. I know those mums thinking their sons have all gone mad. Cause we turn Gypsy to Saudi and Phil's to Baghdad. See, they don't understand the story and how real it was. Like I wanna stand on stage and talk for the hype or buzz. Cause we had the young ones in the clubs and they're carrying guns. And they're saying, in the name of Allah, hand over your funds. See, now I put my hands up cause I know it was wrong. But we didn't have no teachers then to learn from. It was like a bottom of a man's shoe where we come from. It was like living in a zoo where we come from. Ask Abdul Rahim, Shotgun Mo, or my brother Jamil. We didn't know what life or success could come from this hill. But it's like Allah turns street boys to the realest men. Now they're paying me to talk to street boys, I relate to them. And now I'm bumping into some of my brother's sons. And they look the same way we look, they're carrying guns. But it's worse for them, they got Instagram, they got Snapchat. They expose themselves to too much, the more they see, the more they wanna have that. And these girls care less about real love and more about handbags. So these boys work less on the character and more of their money act. So I feel blessed that I was blessed to travel this world. I see there's more to life than materials and girls. I was handing out food packs with charity right in Malaysia. I was in America on that podium giving a lecture. I was in Indonesia in that school delivering workshops. I'ma do these good deeds inshallah till my life stops. And when this life stops and it all comes to an end, I know it's just me on my own, no family and no friends. See, never before have I told my full story, nah.
I'm born and raised in South London.
I may be seeing more than all of you in it.
And when I was born, I wasn't given this name Muslim Belal.
No matter how dirty I am, I'm never letting a day go past where I don't pray my 5 prayers.
I was raised as a Christian, both my parents are from Jamaica. I didn't know about no Sahabas. I didn't know about none of these people.
It's true, Allah didn't create us.
Role models was the rap stars.
We are properly over last.
Superstars.
We think we know what will make us happy.
And you have to take time out.
So we spend every day of our life
to question this life.
chasing our desires.
To question your purpose.
Thinking, yeah, I'm gonna do that because that will make me happy.
To question your existence.
I'm gonna wear this because this will make me happy.
The beginning of our life is okay, it's ignorance. We don't know what we're living for, we're young.
But we still end up sad.
Yo, Shaitan's on the corner, waiting for me to pull up, I'm a divert. Can't afford to lose another soldier, I gave my word. O2 Kalimat Shahada, La ilaha illallah, standing in the Gaza. Bad boys in London used to pull up at the function, now we pull up at the night prayer. Tarot we're in unison, life on the edge. I'ma do this to the death, Allah forgive me for my past sins. My presence and my next, I don't march, I don't protest. I was raised in a gang, I speak to the oppressed in a language they understand. That's the prayer and the sword, I'm a soldier of my Lord. In the night I'm on the prayer mat, in the day I'm on war. This is showtime, grew up on the showtime rhythm. See me standing with the scholars, I was raised with the villains. I could make a couple million, still staying with the poor. I'ma die with the poor, please raise me with the poor. Got my face on the floor in Sajda, I survived hell, this is my before and after. Losing's not an option, I was born to win. This is ABC, that's Ash Belal Chin. Fill my glass to the brim, Zamzam holy. Just past the sign in Mecca says Muslims only. I'ma do this with my whole heart, filter press restart. I let them get away with murder in the first half. If it costs you your peace, it's too expensive. I was a product of the street, a boy in the trenches. They don't know my life, they just know my face. I don't have no friends, I got brothers by faith, and I'ma go all the way. There's no excuses, this dunya ain't low, it's mentally abusive. I got sins, you got sins, we the best of sinners. Survive trauma, I got the heart of a winner. If it costs you your peace, it's too expensive. I was a product of the street, a boy in the trenches. They don't know my life, they just know my face. I don't have no friends, I got brothers by faith. I'ma go all the way, there's no excuses. This dunya ain't low, it's mentally abusive. I got sins, you got sins, we the best of sinners. Survive trauma, I got the heart of a winner. If it costs you your peace, it's too expensive. I was a product of the street, a boy in the trenches. They don't know my life, they just know my face. I don't have no friends, I got brothers by faith, and I'ma go all the way. There's no excuses, this dunya ain't low, it's mentally abusive. I got sins, you got sins, we the best of sinners. Survive trauma, I got the heart of a winner. If it costs you your peace, it's too expensive. I was a product of the street, a boy in the trenches. They don't know my life, they just know my face. I don't have no friends, I got brothers by faith. I'ma go all the way, there's no excuses. This dunya ain't low, it's mentally abusive. I got sins, you got sins, we the best of sinners. Survive trauma, I got the heart of a winner.
Just posted a picture online, it's already hit about 1,000 likes. And looking at a brother like, wow, he lives this amazing life. You see it's so good from the outside, but when they take that deeper look inside, they see a brother on his lonely, battling, struggling to sleep at night. See I'm aging, I show age, 20 years now I've been up on this stage. I saw a life, I saw a change. I saw us go from this way to that way. Driving through Madrid, done 16 hours from Calais. Life of a traveller, they don't understand my journey. So may I just FaceTime. Sham called yesterday from Thailand. We speak little but got a lot to say. Life is coming and going like a holiday. Wondering, angel of death, will it take my soul today? We used to do water fights, watch the super soaker spray. Then it turned to real life, street life, casually. Power's in the money, we saw it so we chased it. Grew up with the poor people, dinner time was basic. While I was eating corned beef, dry with potato mash. They was dipping fries in a ketchup with a Big Mac. Tired of that pain, got tired of that struggle. I won the gold chain, Air Max with air bubble. And daddy was a hustler, mummy was a hustler too. Pockets are empty, it's clear what I'm about to do. They thought we done it for the status and the thrill. Them time we done it for the meals and pay the lights bills. Cause life's real, gypsy oh, no school bag on my back. The oldest are robbing banks and spending money on crack. You see I'm 2 years away from a Shino with a drop tag. Walking through West, knock your banana and Probito bag. Still sad, no guidance, blind, no direction. Money started growing and names start getting mentioned. 16 years old was getting chauffeured in the S-Class. Eating at the Ivy when you're hungry, life changed fast. Looking at my past, I didn't see it coming. Safa to Marwa, walking and running. Bro, we nearly went through life without giving gratitude. They forget about Allah, they got the wrong attitude. Their books are just decoration for the shelf. They're living like they created themselves, like they ain't gonna die, rise up and be judged. They turn their back on a purpose to live the life of a thug that's dead. Yeah, but the issue's pretty simple. Mum, dad, uncle didn't set a good example. They chase the money too, that's why we're raised in London, surrounded by fitna, land of this corruption. Deep in the jungle, it's hard to see it happen. Children of the ghetto, real sons of Adam. Sinners but we're winners, we don't know no other way. My mum saying go read a book, bored ain't got no toys to play. Careful with the words I say, who am I to pass judgment? Just cause I found another way, can't look down on those who haven't. Fathom on the words, take time to ponder. Made plans for when he's older, he didn't live to see tomorrow. Lifestyle, the things we're doing for this life, surrounded by broken hearts and fake smiles. Inside you're lost, hurt and full of pain, but outside we're pretenders, snapping every day.
Gramming every day, some seekers of attention, controlled by the public, the real you's in prison. The vision is paradise, but it's like we don't wanna get there. We live here like we love here, and we're stuck here, speaking to the cameras more than you speaking to your family. Try to get the paradise, you got the wrong mentality. So many trip ups, it's like a brother stuck his boot out. I came a long way from the madness and the shootouts. They don't see where we came from, the mad streets we were raised on. South side of London, whole end screaming salam alaikum. I live in the jungle and I work hard to stop it. So I don't really care about this little boy's gossip, or she don't cover her hair properly. Doesn't bother me, I ain't gonna be questioned about her or a sloppery. I just pray she sets a better example for the younger queens. Too busy focusing on me and my passed on genes, far from the best, but I respect my religion. That's why I ain't proud, and I keep my sins hidden. My mum says she proud of me, Samaya smiles when she sees me. Sister call me regularly, play fight with a UB, never miss a daily prayer, and I fast 30 days consistently. How can I not be happy? This is my dunya, this completes me. See, we expect too much, like we're living in a fantasy. Have you ever put on them black gloves and know there's about to be a tragedy? And then you find religion, think all of that's at the back of me, and then you find more hatred in life that's meant to be peacefully. Backward living, backward thinking, makes you wanna give up, makes you wanna give in. When you started off swimming and you're sinking what you believe in. True guidance, true love from the one above. See, I've been through all of that. Council flats and prayer mats, missed calls from Shaitan, he ain't getting a call back. Simple with the wordplay, I've been on this from early. Smalls and a maniac, juice on a Friday. Really, what can I say? Blessed enough to be chosen. You got 35-year-olds living like 21, they're frozen. Life's only temporary, it's not permanent, it's alone. Why we trying to sit up here like we don't wanna go home? We're stuck in the Game of Thrones, everybody wants to lead, and they're on some fame greed. Everyone's dying to be seen. Care so much about what people say, you can't even be the real you in a crowd full of people, and it feels like you're in an empty room. I can do the show like I'm posing for the GQ, or I can do the road blacked out in that tracksuit. Mad you, so many layers to this character. Film star, building that orphanage in Gambia. Go and say it, I know what they're thinking. That's a contradiction, can't do both in this religion. Well, guess what? I came a long way, now on my way out. But you can still slander and put that new video out, talking about your brother. If that sits well in your heart, you should have told me it'd be like this when you invited me in the start. See, I've been a victim of the rumours, been a victim of the gossip. They see a good thing happening and they trying to stop it. I don't pay attention, biting stays behind my back. Allah gave me protection, Surah Al-Falaq. You don't understand my history, you can't celebrate my glory with me. There's no hate left in my heart, I want good for everybody. Samaya nearly 10, time flies, we soon die. Life, it's like we took our eyes off the prize. This journey, this road that I travel on, it all seems crazy. Over the years, I picked up thousands of tag-alongs, inspired by my story. From a juvenile, when my clothes had holes in them, and my afro was picky, to them 90s, Moschino and Versace, no laces in Arachis. New millennium, gained a lot of street power. They say the Muslims hit the towers. 02, I'm in the room with couple brothers, and I took my shahada from listening to Mobb Deep and Tupac their mama. Now I'm reading couple hadiths and the Sirah of Abu Bakr. Reading Surah Imran from Ayah 103. Protect me. Don't take my life unless I'm in a state you're pleased. 2015. I've been around the world and back, and I got myself a baby. There's Samaya, Barber's on the mic again, and this is my story. Allah, protect my brother K-Boy, protect my brother Grabban, protect my brother Suge Knight, protect my brother Punchin'. We came a long way, boys, from that life in the dungeon.
Now I'm with Morocco in Morocco. Speedboat out in Tetuan. Bless my brother Buck. And bless Abu Bakr, Remy, Darren, Spoon, Millie Wayne. And my right hand grinner.